G'day guys, Dallas here from Dunn Watson. I'm just going to do a brief run through today of the Dunn Watson fridge slides and what you'd be receiving. For this video we've described our 50 litre and under lengthways and our 50 litre and under sideways. You are going to see on the site though stacks of smaller and larger sizes, but for this video we've described these ones. So these units are built from 3mm aluminium, so they are nice and light. They're all folded and welded in-house in our Brisbane workshop, so it's an Australian made product, and they also run on the Dunn Watson 125 kilo locking or the 227 kilo locking slide. The runners applicable to your fridge slide are noted on the site. Essentially, the smaller trays run the medium, the heavy duty run on the heavy, just allowing that those bigger trays can carry those necessary weights for bigger fridges or pull-out tables and things like that. So, when it comes to the lock and lockout feature, what that means is the fridge is locked, it's not going anywhere. You want to use it, bring it out to full extension, it's now come out, it's not going to move again. So if I'm on uneven ground, it's going to stay nice and still. I can access my fridge, or I can cook for my barbecue, whatever I'm doing. And when I'm done, I would just unlock it again, close it like so. We're backed in that locked position. They all come with a 4-pack of restraint straps, and any goods, because you see there's a clearance height here, your fridge slide or barbecue or whatever you're putting in this tray has an additional travel height of 25mm once it's installed here. If you needed a higher or lower travel height, you would need to contact our team for a custom unit, but we can certainly assist you with that. But there you have it, just a quick run through of the Dunn Watson fridge slides. If you have any questions though, give us a call or flick us an email.